All right, I think we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Spring 2021 ACM Kickoff. First, I just want to say thank you for joining us tonight and giving us a little bit of your time. We have a great list of speakers for you tonight, including some directors and officers and some of our ECS partner organizations. My name is Aishani, and I am the president of ACM UTD. So what is ACM? We are the largest student-run computer science organization at UTD, and we have one goal, and that is to create a greater, more collaborative engineering community at the University of Texas at Dallas. Right now, we have about 6 divisions, the first one being Projects, Research, Development, Education, HackUTD, and our newest division, which you will learn more about further on in the kickoff, called Media. Each of these divisions focuses on some aspect of your learning, career development, and professional networking, and they're just great opportunities for you to learn and develop yourself and get to know your peers. The reason why I love ACM so much is because I came here and I expected to find a close community of friends who are also interested in computer science, and I ended up finding a family. Oh my gosh, wow. If you're wondering how to apply or join our community, you can find out about all of these divisions and their apps more in depth from the directors. But if you visit our website, acmutd.co/apply, you'll find all the applications there, and you can learn how to become a participant in any of these programs or an officer. And yeah, that's it from me. I will pass it on to Saksham.
Hi everyone, I'm Saksham. I'm the current co-vice president of ACM UTD. I'm a computer science sophomore and I joined ACM my first semester at UTD. So my freshman year, fall semester, and I've gotten to know some incredible people in ACM who have mentored me, guided me, and helped me throughout my college career. So I'm pretty grateful for that. In the slide, you can see that we have 7 wonderful divisions and teams that are working on creating events and organizing initiatives for ACM. I also wanted to quickly talk about 3 things. Participation survey, please fill it out so that we know more about your interest and we can organize better events and create new initiatives. The link will be in the YouTube chat, so you can just click on it and fill it out. A lucky winner will also get a $30 Amazon gift card. We will announce that tomorrow in our Discord. So if you fill it out as soon as possible so you don't forget about it. Second thing is ACM social hours. So I know that virtual learning is hard, especially if you're new to UTD and you were at UTD, but you didn't get to meet other people. And it can seem lonely and it can be difficult to get to know other people. So we're here to help. We have ACM social hours every Friday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. where you can come and socialize and get to know people in ACM, ask questions about ACM and anything else. I've been organizing it for a month now and we'll organize it for 2 more weeks. And after that, interested ACM officers and directors will come and join social hours so they can get to know you and you can also get to know them. So we will also send out announcements in Discord every Friday, so be on lookout for that. Last thing, I know Aishani also talked about this. What is ACM? I joined ACM as a freshman fall semester, and I've gotten pretty far so far. So just wanted to, share what ACM means to me and how I would define it. I thought a lot about it and I came up with this. So ACM is a group of people who are proud of their differences and unique personalities, embarking on a journey together to achieve a common goal of building an inspiring community that is always there for you and pushes you to be better so that you can join as yourself and leave with a group of closest friends who you now call a family. So that is what ACM means to me and how I would define it. So I'm going to pass it on to David to talk about ACM more and our giveaway.
All right. Hey, guys. My name is David. I am the other co-vice president of ACM UTD for this year, along with Saksham. Like you said, I'm going to talk a little bit about the Amazon gift card giveaway that we're doing for the kickoff. So I saw a little bit of confusion in chat and in Discord. So there's actually 2 giveaways that we're doing. There's one for the participation survey, and that's the $30 one. And then there's this one specifically for the kickoff. That's $100. So How you can enter to do that is join our Discord, acmutd.co/discord, and introduce yourself. So we have an introductions channel. If you go in there, tell us your name and just a little bit about yourself. We really want to build this community of people in ECS at UTD, and we just want to get to know you. So introduce yourself and you'll be eligible to win this $100 gift card. And shout out to everyone in the Discord already. There's like 50 people in the VC right now, so that's pretty cool.
All right, hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm one of the co-directors of ACM Projects.
And I'm Emily, the other co-director.
ACM Projects is a semester-long software development program that puts students in teams of 4 to 5 to develop a mobile app, web app, or game throughout the 10-week program. And you can see the projects we'll be doing this semester on the slide along with the link to apply.
So our program is really great for helping you land your first internship by giving you team project experience. Applications are due by February 1st at midnight, and our best advice for creating a good application is to make sure that you fill out everything as completely as possible. Include details about your extracurriculars, your projects you've done, etc., so that we can really get to know you.
If you've got any questions, you can ask in the Projects General channel in the ACM Discord, or you can email projects@acmut.co. That's all for projects. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, Jack and Emily. Next, we have research.
Hey everyone, I'm Ryan and I'm part of the research team at ACM. Research is a fairly new division. It actually launched last semester, so this spring semester is going to be its second iteration. It's a perfect initiative for anyone who just wants to get a taste of what computer science research is like. In the program, participants will work in teams of 4 to 5 members, and they'll also be led with a research officer throughout the semester to tackle a research project. Now, along with your group members, you'll also have a UTD CS professor who will help advise your team. And at the end of the semester, your team will have created a research poster showcasing your work, and hopefully participants will consider pursuing research in the future. For this semester, we really wanted to branch out to different academic disciplines and see how we can incorporate it with computer science. So some of the projects you might see on the right may include some aspects of history or quantitative finance, biology, and even music. There is a simple coding challenge in the application process, so I highly recommend you all to apply right now, because if you do apply and get selected, you'll have the entire weekend to work on it. And then after the kickoff, we'll have the research team in one of the voice channels on our Discord, so feel free to hop on if you just want to hang out with the team or ask any questions. But yeah, that's all I have. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Ryan. Next, we have HackUTD.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Camden, and I'm the current director for HackUTD. If you guys are unfamiliar what HackUTD is, HackUTD is the largest hackathon in North Texas. And if you're unfamiliar what a hackathon is exactly, well, it's essentially a 24-hour event where you can build applications, hardware, software, web apps, and plenty more, whatever you guys can build. HackUTD, it provides like a venue of self-expression and creativity through technology. And it doesn't just bring together CS majors. It brings together people with varying backgrounds to come together to form teams and to solve a problem or idea that you guys love collaboratively. Now, whether you guys are a frequent hackathoner or you guys are just getting started, we love to see what you guys can make. And to introduce more about HackUTD, we've made this small little video that someone on our team has made for us. So, Entity, if you could please roll this video. Well, I hope you guys got pretty hyped for that video because it was pretty freaking awesome. If you guys don't agree, well, yeah, you guys better agree. So, you know, a hackathon, it's a great way to like network and to get fall or summer internships because companies are still looking for spots for their fall or summer internships. And we have a few companies that are coming to HackUTD this semester that have spots and they're looking for potential candidates for their internships. So it's a great way to make connections and to get yourself out there to companies. You know, we have big companies that come and sponsor us, such as like American Airlines, JP Morgan, Fannie Mae, Capital One, and many more. So just be on the lookout. In addition to that, we also have like thousands of dollars worth of prizes that we give out at the end of the hackathon as well. And everyone that attends the hackathon and submits a project will get free swag. We'll ship it to your mailing address. So, you know, register for HackUTD. It'll be at 2021.hackutd.co. Thank you.
Thank you, Camden. All right, Harsha.
Hey, everyone. So my name's Harsha. I'm the current Director of Development for ACM UTD. The goal of our division really is to be the platform that students use to get experience in building production applications with new cutting-edge technology. If you've already covered your introductory classes and you want to build something that students across our entire community can use, then I strongly encourage you to be and apply to be an officer today. Our officer applications close soon on January 31st, so better get to it, y'all. We have over 35 open source repositories that we maintain on our GitHub. Definitely check them out to learn more about the type of cool things that we develop. Now, in addition to that, one exciting initiative that we're proud to be launching this semester is Fireside Chats with ACM Development. Each month, we will have an opportunity for everyone to come in and listen to the amazing new features and products that we release. But beyond that, I'm also happy to say that you too will have the chance to be a speaker at one of our Fireside Chats. Do you have a cool project that you want to show off? Perhaps you learned some new framework or niche tool that you believe would strengthen your fellow community members? Then apply today to be a speaker. Our first Fireside Chat will be on February 12th, and I look forward to seeing y'all there. Now, as a little bit of a teaser, I'm going to ask Willie, one of our excellent dev officers, to come in and just tease his project a little bit. They've been working on it very hard over the past semester, and I hope you guys enjoy what he has to show.
Thanks, Harsha.
So, hello everyone, I'm Willie, project lead for Project Nebula. What is Project Nebula? It's very nebulous. It's almost mysterious, but it is coming soon. I'll ask you a question. How often do you try to plan out your coursework for your time at UTD and find that there are so many things you have to keep in mind? Prerequisites. Maybe you're on scholarship, maybe you're in honors, maybe there's GPA requirements that you need to keep track of. Maybe you want to apply to grad school later. What courses should you take now? What courses should you take later? Planning your time as a college student is getting increasingly difficult. There are so many different resources available for you, yet it seems like they're all so out of grasp. They are so difficult to use. Me personally, I have a spreadsheet to help plan out my degree plan, which courses I'm taking each semester, and keeping track of my GPA. But based on my interactions with people, talking to friends, talking to fellow peers, I realize not everyone finds planning their degree plans that easily. Not everyone has the time to spend hours on spreadsheets. Enter Project Nebula. Project Nebula is, at its core, a tool to help you plan out your college experience. So, the days of spreadsheets are no more. With Nebula, you are presented with a easy drag and drop interface to represent all of your courses and easily show what are you taking each semester, and keeping track of things like GPA over time. What if you were to take this credit load for this semester? Project Nebula is the one-stop shop to plan out your college experience. Right now, we are focusing on specifically planning coursework, the core fundamentals, but later we want to incorporate things like maybe study abroad. Project Nebula will be the place to plan everything. So be on the lookout soon for our open beta. We plan to release a demo soon for all of you at content.acm.utd.co/nebula. Additionally, please apply to be a dev officer because we are actively looking for new people to be on our team and to help contribute to this wonderful project. Thank you.
Thanks, Willie. Next, we have Rashmi from ACM Education.
Hi, y'all. I'm Rashmi, the Director of Education. So education provides valuable skills to help students prepare for the workforce through three main aspects. The first is our workshops. We offer a bunch of different technical workshops over the semester. We typically have 2 to 3 a month, and we'll be talking about our ones for February later in the kickoff. This semester, we are trying something new. We will be sending out ACM swag to those who attend many ACM events, such as the Education and Industry workshops. We will be providing you with a way to check in during future events to track attendance. The second part of education is the mentor program. It connects underclassmen with upperclassmen to get college and career advice. Applications for mentors and mentees do only open in the fall, but some of the workshops will be open to everyone. In the past, we've covered topics such as LinkedIn, and we have some great ideas in store for the semester. And if you're interested in helping run these programs that education provides, officer applications are still open, but they do close today at midnight, so apply soon if you are interested. And the newest part of education is our new technical interview prep program. Technical interviews are the new norm for getting internships, and nailing them requires practice. So apply for a program to review common data structures and go over leak code questions with a cohort. If you're kind of looking for a support group to help you through the hiring season, this is a great opportunity for you. Applications close February 1st at midnight. Thank you for listening. That's all I have.
Thank you, Rashmi. Next, we have Jafar.
Hey guys, I'm the Director of Operations here at ACM, and I lead ACM Community as well as some smaller projects on ACM Development. Sign up for ACM Development as well. But at ACM Community, we're dedicated to fostering a vibrant community within ACM by hosting entertaining events outside of the realm of ECS. So events that are not ECS related mostly, socials, game nights, competitions, digital fairs, and we'll be doing this all semester long. So there's a lot going on in the Discord. We have a lot planned for this semester on the Discord, so scan the QR code and join whenever you can. Everybody's still in quarantine, but that still shouldn't discourage you from staying social. And on the Discord, we try to make sure that we provide an environment where you can still stay active and communicate with people. We're also accepting applications for staff positions. It's still rolling. So if you're interested in being part of the event organization process, then go ahead and apply by visiting the link down below. Next slide. All right, so one of the cooler things that we've been doing recently is called circles. So circles are basically like interest groups within the ACM Discord, but they're fully run by the members themselves and the staff members as well. So the idea kind of came from like what typical old school clubs looked like, where it was just like an interest group with like 5 people. Those were like super cozy, and I was like, we should bring those back. So that's what we've essentially done here. They're called circles instead of clubs, but they're much smaller and they focus on one primary thing. There's a lot of really cool circles that we've already made right now. If you look at the ACM Discord, there is a channel now called Circles. Let me go ahead and make it viewable to everybody. Yes, everybody should see it now, but it's basically a channel called Circles where you can actually join different interest groups that you're interested in. So right now we currently have our starting lineup is Genshin Impact, chess, internship hunting, binary search if you're into that stuff. There's a finance one called Stonks. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and join it. All you have to do is react to the reaction right underneath the one that you want to join, and you'll be in it. And one last thing, anyone can make a circle. If you are interested in hosting making your own circle, if you have an idea that you want to bring up, you can definitely do it. So just go to the link below and fill the application out, and we'll review it as soon as possible. So yeah, next slide. All right, so one of the cooler projects that we've been working on besides circles is called the ECS Newsletter. This is an ECS-wide newsletter. This does not involve directly, well, no, it doesn't only involve ACM, it involves a ton of other organizations. So it's a great tool for finding and RSVPing to events. Right now, we currently have ACM, AIS, SWE, WWC, and then DSC as well. They're all part of this newsletter. And so soon we're going to be launching our first newsletter live. So you'll be able to see it and you'll be able to interact with it. It's all reaction based. So basically you just find an event that you're interested in, react to it. You'll get a full rundown of that event in your DMs. And then there's another reaction that you can click if you're interested in attending that event. And the bot will automatically DM you 30 minutes before the event starts with all the information that you need to join the event. So it's a really nifty system that hopefully you guys will enjoy. That's it. Thank you. And join the Discord. Click.
Yeah, please join the Discord. Thank you for working on the ECS newsletter. I think it'll help a lot of organizations. But next we have industry.
Hey everyone, I'm Kendra and currently I am the new Director of Industry, and as you can see here, there are a lot of cool industry events for this upcoming semester that I have planned for you guys. So one upcoming internship is actually the industry event is actually a Paycom React workshop where they'll teach you how to build your own portfolio website. So you can not only land internships and networks through these events, but you can also gain a lot of great new skills through these events. Another industry event, for example, is the CBRE event, and they'll actually have mock interviews for that, where you can potentially even land an official interview with CBRE for their summer intern program. So there's a lot of great events coming up for this semester, and I'm excited for you guys.
Cool, thank you, Kendra. Next we have media.
Hi guys, I'm Bea. I am Director of Design and Co-Director of Media. We're leading ACM's newest creative team to push the limits for marketing and design experience in the ECS bubble. You guys should all definitely apply to be an ACM Media Officer to create amazing design or marketing campaigns, and this is a great way for beginners to connect, experiment, or create on our design team. We're looking for talented designers to develop the face of the largest CS organization on campus, and this is an open door to all majors. You definitely don't need to know dynamic programming to contribute to a clean brand identity. And again, there's tons of valuable exposure to brand identity, graphic design, and UI UX design. So this is your sign for anyone dying to contribute to the growing need of designers in Silicon Valley.
And hi, I'm Sam Sangrola. I'm the Director of Marketing and Co-Director of Media at ACM. At ACM Media, in terms of marketing, we focus on building campaigns to bring students together. We share opportunities and initiatives at ACM to not only impact the ACM community, but also to impact the UTD community as a whole and beyond. We create and manage insightful content to help all our members thrive in the field of computer science. And like Bea said, applications are open for both the design and marketing roles at ACM Media, and they are due tomorrow at midnight. So don't forget to apply to become a part of our team. And definitely reach out to us and follow us on our social media, such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Discord. Our social medias are open, inclusive, and a great way to reach out to us. And we have lots of fun content on both our social medias and Discord. So definitely don't forget to apply and also to follow us.
Thank you, Bea and Sam. Just a few words, ACM Media definitely is our newest branch, but Bea and Sam are amazing directors, and I am excited to see how they grow the design community. And doesn't matter what major you are, please, please, please apply to ACM Media. We're really excited to see how this division grows in the future. All right, diversity and inclusion.
Hi, everyone. My name is Gabriella. I'm the Director of Diversity and Inclusion here at ACM. I'm one of the newest positions here on the Board of Directors, And I wanted to take this opportunity to share a little bit about what our goals are going forward. My goal in this position is to help work to make ACM into a more actively welcoming environment for all students at UTD. We'll be working to make sure that groups that are underrepresented in the engineering community hear their voices heard and are excited to be part of the ECS community. By embracing and learning about people from different cultures and different backgrounds, we as an organization can address issues that are prevalent in our world today. One of the first ways that some of you all can participate is by joining the Women channel on our Discord. If you're not part of the channel yet, you won't be able to see it on the Discord. So if you'd like to join the channel, reach out to me or someone on the executive team, and we will get you the quick survey that you have to fill out, and you'll be added to the channel. This is a great group to be part of to discuss women's issues, get professional help or help with school, and just hang out with a great group of girls. This is one of the many opportunities that we will be giving to all students going forward with this position. So when it comes down to any ideas that you think will help make ACM a more diverse and inclusive place, reach out to me and we can work together to put them into play. And thanks, guys.
Thank you, Gabriella. All right. We have a bunch of other ECS student orgs here who we work with a lot, and we're really excited to have them speak. The first club on our list today is CSG.
Hello, I'm Laith. I'm the president of CSG. CSG is the go-to club for cybersecurity at UTD. If you're interested in going into a cybersecurity career or you just want to learn more, go ahead and join us. We announce pretty much everything through Discord. So usually we do tech talks on Wednesdays at 7. We'll announce the topic a few days before at least. We do corporate talks. A lot of times companies will come back to us if they're looking to hire into their cybersecurity. So I highly recommend going to those. We're doing CTF workshops this semester. It's a new thing. If you want to get into the more like competitive side or just get your feet wet with, hands-on practice, the first workshop will be right after this meeting at 8. So go ahead and join. We do fire talks occasionally. So if you have something that you want to share, it'll be like a 10 to 20 minute presentation, just all from members. And then we also have it might be a little late to join this now, but we're collaborating with CodePath to do a basically web and cloud security course. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and ask in the Discord and we can answer any of your questions. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Mira and I'm here on behalf of IEEE. I'm the current vice president. So IEEE is the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, and it is one of the largest technical organizations worldwide. So for our local chapter, we have a lot of events that help students kind of get prepared for the field of engineering or just hardware related fields. So our technical committee is in charge of hosting workshops to kind of teach those technical skills. And our events committee is in charge of creating social groups or socials for students who are interested in those fields. We also offer tutoring for most electrical engineering intro courses. So if you're struggling with your classes and with everything being virtual, I think this is a really great resource for you guys to take advantage of. So yeah, if you're in any of those classes, definitely check out our Discord because our tutors are available almost 24/7, with some of them being up at like 3 a.m. Another branch of IEEE that we have is Forge Projects. This is kind of a hardware and software mix since things are virtual this year, but it's kind of an application-based project where you get to build a project that's supposed to help enlighten or bring some use to UTD. So it's a great way to get technical experience for a longer period of time. We also this year are starting a hackathon. So our goal this year is to kind of bring more experience with hardware engineering. So our entire hackathon is kind of hardware focused. It'll be completely virtual, so any student can participate if they're interested, but we're offering a reimbursement program. So if you're interested in getting any hardware tools and you don't have access to it, now you do. So it's a great place to check it out. Also check out HackUTD, of course. And finally, our last branch is Women in Engineering. This is kind of just to create a diverse and inclusive environment for people who are typically underrepresented in engineering fields. So if you are interested in getting involved, I would recommend checking out our website and coming to our general meeting next week on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Mira.
All right, hey everyone, my name is Maitri and I'm the president for the Artificial Intelligence Society here at UTD. And our goal is basically to bring AI education and resources to our UTD community as well as surrounding areas. With AI being obviously a very popular buzzword these days, a lot of students are interested in learning more about it, but it's not always easy to kind of find the right resources, find the right guidance. It can be a hard field to kind of get into. And so we kind of hope to bring more of those resources and help to students. And we do that through workshops, tech talks from professors or guest speakers, socials, as well as our annual hackathon. We actually had a tech workshop today that was based on Intro to AI. We have some more upcoming ones as well. And other events that we have planned for the spring semester involve collaborations with other clubs, socials from our Discord, as well as HackAI 21, which is going to probably take place somewhere towards the end of March. So stay updated for that. But basically, we're going to have a lot of things going on this spring semester to get everyone kind of started in AI, and you don't need to have any like prior experience for a lot of things that we do, because the goal is to help you kind of get there. Yeah, that's kind of what we do, and you can stay in touch with us by joining our Discord, as well as signing up for the mailing list by going to our website. And we also have Instagram and Facebook pages. I would say from all social media, our Discord is the one that we're kind of most active on in terms of easily being able to meet other fellow members, talk to officers, find resources, etc. So yeah, hope to see you at our events. Thank you.
Thank you, Maitri.
Oh, hey everyone, it's UTD Blockchain Club here. We are a club that focuses on creating awareness about blockchain technology and its application in various industries like finance, supply chain, and e-commerce, to name a few. We want to help people to get involved in blockchain and other financial technologies. We actively partner with companies and professionals from the industry to help you expand your network and also provide you with various opportunities. So we just held our kickoff with a blockchain company from Richardson named Shardus this week, and you can find a recording the same on our Discord server. We have a lot of events in the pipeline, just like that one, and we'll also be holding a workshop on Solidity, which is a blockchain programming language to write smart contracts. So find us there. Okay, let me address the elephant in the room. What is so special about blockchain technology, and why should you care? Well, that answer will take hours to fully answer, but to keep it short, this is a technology that will not only revolutionize and shake the entire financial industry to its core, but can also help you get ahead financially. For instance, banks cannot mathematically compete with blockchain technology. In traditional banks, you open a savings account and you can expect what, like 5.5% interest return? But with blockchain, you can do the exact same thing and get roughly 6% returns. You're essentially beating inflation. If you think this is a scam, well, I mean, you're not wrong to think that way, but it's not. This is simply the power of blockchain technology. Aside from the finance aspect, blockchain development is currently at the forefront of innovation. The top projects in blockchain are writing history with every line of code they push, from redesigning the financial exchanges from scratch to creating more efficient supply chain systems, or just creating decentralized insurance, or just making finance more accessible. Blockchain has it all. If you want to know more, you can come join us. And if you want to get notified about our events and partnership right away, you can scan a QR code, which will take you to all of our links to our social and our websites. We hope to see you at our event and in our Discord server. And lastly, I just want to thank the team at ACM for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks for coming, Kevin. Next we have Sweet.
Thank you, Aishani, and hello, everyone. I just want to preface saying that I have been part of the ACM community, and honestly, they're just a group of people who are loving and caring. So I definitely suggest being active in their programs as well. But now on to Sui. So I would like to kind of start off. When do you think we will actually reach gender equality? Some people think in 2025 or in our lifetime, but we actually will reach gender equality in 208 years. And yes, that's a very long time, but we hope that through organizations such as Society of Women Engineers on campus, we can help you find a community where you can unleash your inner girl, your inner go-getter, your risk taker, innovator, and leader. So what exactly is SWE? So SWE is the largest women in engineering computer science organization on campus, and we offer a myriad of programs. So the first program that I would love to touch on is SWE Match. So SWE Match is our newest competitions program. It's a year-long program where our participants not only learn the developing and growing and creating a product, but also understanding the planning, understanding how to understand the requirements and make their dreams come to reality. In addition, we have our amazing mentorship program called the Ladies in Tech Mentoring Program. This is a program which we partner with our sister organization, Women Who Compute, and we hope that we can help incoming freshmen and sophomore navigate the UT Dallas life virtually. In addition, we also have a really cool project component to this mentorship program called Lit Creations, and trust me, their creations that they're going to make with their mentors are going to be lit. In addition to that, we have WeHack. What exactly is WeHack? Well, WeHack is the first gender-focused women uniting hackathon in UT Dallas's history. And in fact, WeHack this year became worldwide in 2020, which is phenomenal. And we hope that through WeHack, we provide a lot of our hackers the chance and opportunity to be part of the hackathon community and attend hackathons such as HackUTD or Comet Hacks in UT Dallas. We hope we can transform people's dreams into reality. And if you would love to be part of the dope officer team, our officer applications are out, and the deadline for those applications are by tomorrow night. So feel free to reach out and definitely apply for WeHack. But in addition to all of those amazing programs, we provide our members the chance to give back to the community. So we have a series of high school panels that you can participate in and make a difference to the next generation of women in technology. In addition to that, we also have the chance to take some of our SWE members to the second largest conference for women and engineers known as the WE conferences. And through these conferences, we have seen so many success stories where people have landed jobs in their dream companies. So I highly suggest, in order to have the chance to attend these conferences, definitely be active and come to our industry collaborations. These are great ways to connect with recruiters and people who you envision in your dream jobs. And in fact, our upcoming event is with Xilinx, also recently bought by AMD, so woohoo, like the leading micro-leading chip company in the industry, on February 3rd from 4 to 5:15 p.m. And if you would like to be active within our community, definitely join our Discord, our GroupMe, and in addition, make an account with our portal at SweetUTD.com. You get a lot of perks and benefits, aka some secrets, just so it kind of helps you out with the whole recruitment season for fall of 2021. And also, I just wanted to preface this out there, that this organization, even though we help a lot of women in technology, this is an organization open to everyone. So for the male allies out there, feel free to join our Sweester community, and hopefully hand in hand, arm in arm, we can reach gender inequality in our lifetime. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mela. Next, we have Women Who Compute.
Hey y'all, I'm Sahana and I'm the president of WWC. Thanks Aishani for having us. I can say from prior experience that ACM is definitely an amazing organization to be a part of, so you guys are in the right place. But what is WWC? So Women Who Compute is one of the largest women in CS organizations on campus, and we really aim to provide a community of mentorship, personal and professional development, as well as a way to meet some super dope women in tech. So some of the types of events that we have are listed on the slide. Speed mentoring is probably one of our most popular events, and I like to describe it kind of like speed dating. But instead of coming out of the event with a date, you hopefully have the opportunity to interview with the company, or learn some more about the companies that you spoke with. So that event is coming up in a couple weeks. So be on the lookout for that because companies will be recruiting. Um, we also host technical workshops as well as industry and career talks. One event that we have coming up is with IBM, and they will be speaking about AI and ML and how they use it at IBM and why it's relevant today. We also do lots of community outreach, and we do have a channel for that on our Discord server. So if you are interested in volunteering and outreach, be on the lookout for events that we'll post on there. And then Maytha already spoke about the Lit MP program, and she did a great job speaking about that. So I'm not going to go into too much detail, but it's an amazing organization to be a part of, especially for freshmen and sophomores looking to further their career in CS. And then finally, we have our sister org, so Girls Who Code and WeSys. Girls Who Code is primarily a volunteering organization, and they try to reach out to lots of middle and high school girls who are looking to pursue a degree in CS. So if you are interested in that kind of volunteering and outreach, you should definitely be a part of that organization. WeSys, Women in Cybersecurity, is also a great organization to be a part of, especially if you're newer to cybersecurity and want to get some more experience in that field. In terms of our social media, please follow us on Instagram. Our amazing marketing chair, Sophia, posts a lot of great content and will keep you updated on events that we have coming up. And if you join our Discord, you will still be updated on our events as well. So definitely join there. And we also post lots of interview and internship opportunities on there as well. So be on the lookout for those. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for having us.
Thanks, Lahana. Next, we have Developer Student Club.
Hi, everyone. My name is Evelyn Lee, and I'm the president of Developer Student Club this year. So first of all, thank you, ACM, for having us here today. So Developer Student Club is a program supported by Google developers. And our main goal is to help students to bridge the gap between like theory and practice through peer-to-peer learning environment. And one of our biggest goals for this semester that we are having the Solution Challenge 2021 competition. This is an annual competition open to all university students to be a real-world solution using Google technologies with the support from Google developer experts. So if you check out our QR code on the slide, you will find our link to the Discord, as well as the link to the interest form of the Solution Challenge 2021. And just to make sure that this interest form going to be closed by this weekend, because we have been receiving a lot of students interested in this. So make sure to check it out soon. And on our effort to support students who participate in these competitions, we are having the solution design series with Googlers on every Saturday at 1 p.m. This is like a series to, like help the student to be familiar with the process in product design as well. So this is a series that dedicated to all Solution Challenge participants, but all DSC members as invited. So make sure to check it out. And we also have a series on Google Cloud Platform that is upcoming. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, thank you again for having us here today, and make sure to check it out.
Thanks, Evelyn. Next, we have Girls Who Code.
Hey everyone, my name is Annie and I'm the president of Girls Who Code at UTD. First off, thanks to ACM for having us here, and of course, take time, go check out all their programs. So, what is Girls Who Code? So basically, we're focused on building a community for women in tech, both inside UTD and also outside. So we're a sister organization of Women Who Compute, like Sahana was saying, and we're planning on having both social and tech events with other clubs at UTD, other universities, as well as getting a chance to collaborate and meet with local high school and middle school students in the Richardson and DFW area. And so our club is open to everyone, not just women, so everyone is welcome. And the exciting part is our kickoff is actually this Wednesday, February 3rd at 7 p.m. So be sure to check us out if you're interested in making new friends and learning more about Girls Who Code. And it would be great if y'all could take the time to follow us on social media on Instagram and Facebook. And we have a website, which is super cool, and join our Microsoft Teams. And yeah, thank you so much for listening. And I'm going to hand it off to our next presenter.
Hello, my name is Jesus Science. I'm from SHIP, or the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. It's really nice that ACM invited us to this. So a little bit about SHIP is that we're a community trying to kind of empowering for all the diverse. So this includes women, this includes Black engineers, Hispanics. We try to envelop everything and try to push forward a more diverse community into the engineering world through STEM awareness, access, support, and development. Our vision is a world where diversity in the engineering field is highly valued and influential as lead innovators, scientists, mathematicians, and engineers go and try to just influence everyone out there. We have 5 pillars: academic development, chapter development / networking, leadership and development, outreach, community service, and professional development. Every single one of those kind of correlates to what we do. And a little to say what the big thing we do is we have a huge national conference called the SHIP National Conference. Usually it's held in the fall semester. And this conference is one of the biggest conferences for anyone who wants to go into a field kind of diverse. A lot of our current officers have companies from Facebook. We have a Google. We have someone from Lockheed Martin. I'm from Raytheon. We have someone who is going to Amazon. We have someone in State Farm. We have Cisco. We Intuit. We have a lot of diverse companies coming to us. Right now, we're being sponsored by 7 different companies. I actually had a meeting with Mitsubishi Financial Group a couple of days ago, and they were actually talking to us about giving our members more software engineering internships. So our main purpose right now is to try to push forward and try to give every one of our members an internship. And all these companies are around Dallas mainly. And we do this all through our different types of events. We have the technology community chair, which if you follow our QR code, our website is actually there, and it's all held by our technology chair, which they always do things on our Saturdays. We also have community outreach. We do that every single month. We also have socials. We are trying to collaborate with a lot of the clubs around here. We have a lot of meetings with companies who try to outreach to us every single twice a month. We get actual emails from a company, and they actually ask us to try to advertise an internship for them. And recently we got one from Intuit and Cisco, and 1 month ago we got one from State Farm. So a lot of our opportunities mainly rely on trying to give our members just internships but most of it is kind of to push forward a diverse field. So I have the QR code if you are kind of interested, and we would love to have you. So thank you.
Thank you, Jesus. Next we have Ostam.
Hello, everyone. My name is Alex. I use he, she, they pronouns. I am the Secretary of OSTEM, and I am a biology major pre-med, so I successfully infiltrated the engineers.
And I'm Fariha. I also go by Fia. I'm the treasurer of OSTEM, and I'm an electrical engineering major and CS minor, so this is sort of my group, but I brought Alex along with me.
So a little bit about OSTEM. What is OSTEM? We are a professional and social org focused on queer STEM people. So if you're a queer person in the STEM field, this is a great way to network with other people in the STEM field and also kind of develop professional skills. A lot of queer people face our own unique issues with trying to navigate the professional sphere. So this is a really great community to join and kind of have some like-minded people and just have a lot of fun.
Yeah, so we do a lot of events focused on professional development. That ranges from, we've done workshops on professionalism, whether that's, how to carry yourself, how to dress, especially for a lot of LGBTQ plus people. That is an issue that sort of comes up with, how do I maintain professionalism, but also express myself in the way that I want to be seen. From things like that to how to deal with conflict, how to negotiate salaries, or deal with a difficult situation, whether that's like conflict between people you're working with or maybe overall conflict with the job you have. We've also done information sessions on how to build your online professional presence. So how to build your LinkedIn and your Handshake and really get into networking. We're planning on doing some mock interviews throughout the month of March with a lot of our members. So we've got a lot of those professional things coming up. And we're doing a collaboration event with ACM and IEEE's Women in Engineering coming up next month. It's going to be another sort of social event where we work on our resumes, our LinkedIns, our handshakes, kind of get all that geared up. And then sort of looking more on the queer side of things, we do a lot of discussions and socials centered around the LGBTQ plus community within STEM, the specific issues that we face, and sort of how to cultivate and really foster that community, both at UTD and then once we leave, how to do that in our workplace. So we've got a lot of discussion events on those. We have some informational things, and we're hoping to do a panel in the future on neurodivergence and queerness. And so we have a lot of those events coming up on the horizon. So if you want to know more about any of those, if you want to join and attend some of our meetings, we've got all of our information on our slide here. So you can follow us on Instagram and Twitter at ostem_UTD. You can also join our mailing list with that QR code and join our Discord with the QR code above it. Also, if you have any questions, anything like that, you can contact us at our Gmail. I will say in terms of our socials, the things that we use the most is we use our Instagram the most and our Discord to communicate with our members. Our Discord's where a lot of the community aspect of it comes in, and then we post about all of our meetings and things on Instagram. So reach out to us on any of these platforms. We'll get back to you. But yeah, we hope to see you all soon and at our collab event especially.
Yeah, thanks ACM for having us, and hope to see you all in OSTEM.
Thank you, OSTEM, for coming in. We hope to collab with you more in the future. Next we have Nesby. Selection, did you want to say a few words?
I'm trying to find the mute button, but yeah, Nesby wasn't, a representative from Nesby wasn't able to come today, but they were kind enough to send us a slide about what they do. So Nesby is the National Society of Black Engineers at UTD, and they're they're focused on empowering engineers and providing a diverse group of people in engineering, and we really need that. And I think we are partnered with Nesby, and we hope to partner with Nesby going forward. And some of the things that they do is focus on academics, professionals. They also have conferences. I believe it's every year, but you should definitely go check them out. Follow them on social media, on their website, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to them. You can let us know. And we like I said before, Nesby isn't here, but we hope to collaborate with them in the future, and definitely check them out.
Thank you. Okay, so those were all of our partner orgs. David, did you want to handle the giveaway?
Yeah, so before I do that, while I have you all in suspense, real quick, like I said earlier, the way that you can enter the giveaway, you introduce yourself into the introductions channel. So I'll give a couple more seconds for that, just in case we have any last minute entries. I just wanted to quickly thank all of the people, or all of the other orgs that spoke today. You know, obviously, we really want everyone to be involved in ACM, but like we said at the beginning, our goal is to make sure that everyone feels like they belong to the ECS community at UTD. So, you know, joining those other clubs, that's accomplishing the goal too, you know. And then last thing before I do the giveaway, a lot of the divisions that spoke more towards the beginning, they have applications that are open and that are closing very soon, either tonight or tomorrow or in a couple days. So if you're interested in applying for any of those, definitely go on our website, join the Discord. There's links all over the place. Definitely apply ASAP because they're closing very soon. So I wrote a little bit of code to choose a random message from the introductions channel. Let's hope that it works properly. I'm going to do it. There's several people typing, but I'm sorry, I have to do it very soon. I'm gonna click the button. Did it? Wait. Kevin 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 Rowe. If you're here, can you please say something in chat or DM me on Discord or something? If not, we might re-roll. Kevin? Maybe? Should I?
Go ahead and re-roll.
There
I'll go
is
ahead.
also like a 1 minute delay in the YouTube,
Oh,
so
that's
it's
true.
it's a pretty long delay.
Okay. Oh wait, I see them typing. Okay, yes, Kevin's here. All right, Kevin won.
Awesome.
So you have won yeah, go ahead and DM me in Discord. You won a $100 Amazon gift card. I've taken up a lot of time, so I'll go ahead and give it to the next person.
Congrats, Kevin. That's amazing. So the next events that we have coming up on February 2nd, HackUTD is hosting a Introduction to Data Mining workshop. And then on February 9th, we have an Introduction to Natural Language Processing and what research engineering is like from a research engineer and software engineer from Google. And then on February 12th, that is when ACM Dev will have their first fireside chat. And then on February 16th, if you guys are looking for internships or just want some career advice, definitely check out the Intern Fair Prep Workshop with Women Who Compute. And then on February 18th, we have a React workshop with Paycom hosted by Industry, and then a Hacking the Hackathon workshop on February 24th, mock interviews with CBRE on February 25th, and please, please, please register for HackUTD on February 27th to 28th. It's honestly a very fun time. And yeah, those are all of our upcoming events. I just want to say some closing remarks. A lot of these applications are very competitive. I personally got rejected from projects 3 times, and I got rejected from HackUTD. So don't lose faith. There are lots of avenues to get involved in ACM, although these programs are all extremely great, and I highly encourage you to apply for them because in the pandemic, I have heard a lot of people feel that they are lonely or depressed. And honestly, I have not struggled with this because every day I am meeting with people in ACM or one of these other ECS orgs, and it's really helped me get through this time. So even if ACM is not the organization for you, I hope that one of the organizations that you heard from today did pique your interest. And I hope that you do apply to all of our applications. You can find them on our website. Again, we're on the Discord. And yeah, we just really want to be here for you. And please join us in the Discord after this event is over. We're here to answer any questions and just, yeah, vibe with you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for coming tonight. Bye.